Okay, the next method of a string class is is sort method. Okay, so normally a sort method is used to sort the elements of a given array. Okay, so we have a, okay, let me write this one, sort method. So sort method is used to sort the elements of a given array. Okay, fine. So let's say the syntax of sort method. Sort method will be taking the array as a parameter, and it will return the sorted array. Here we are not getting any new array over here. We will be sorting the same array and we will be getting the sorted array, and the return type over here is void. Okay, and it is a static method available in a arrays class, the public static void sort array. Here array could be integer array, could be character array, could be a float array, could be a double array, it could be a string array, it could be any type of array. Okay, fine. So let's say, for example, here we have an array, arr equals to, let's say I want to have an array with these values 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, and I want to sort this array. So simple, you just have to use arrays.sort of arr. So it will sort the array. So in ascending order, it will be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see an example on this one. See an example on sorting an array. Sorting an array. And okay. So main method, integer array, arr equals to 1, 5, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. Okay, now I want to sort this. This is unsorted array, right? Now I want to sort this array. So what method I have? I have a sort method, arrays dot sort. And what type of array it is? It is an integer type array. So choose int type array. So we have given arr to the sort method. So this will return the sorted array. Now what I'll do is I'll write a small for loop over here. So this will print out the sorted array. So I'll say arr of I. So let's see. Print. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. So this is printing sorted array, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to see in a single line itself, you can use print, and you can give the space between the elements. Okay, right click, run as Java application. So this will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a single line. Got it right? So sort method is used to sort the given array in ascending order. So we have an array which is like, unsorted, and we want to sort this array. So for that, I have used the sort method to sort an array, and I am displaying the elements, sorted elements. Okay, which which you have seen in the console. Okay, sorted elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine.